So my dear student, let us try to see the application of mechanical vibrations. How can we apply this mechanical vibration? This is what we are going to try to discuss, my lovely student here. So mechanical vibration is very applicable on designing of machines. Now we have several machines, my dear student. The designing of those machine work happening due to the presence of these mechanical vibrations. Let us try to read together our concept here so that we can gain more knowledge on how this mechanical vibration is used on designing these machines. So engineer need to design the drum and its suspension system to handle the vibration. Kwa hawa maengineer sana sana wanakuwa wanatengeneza hizi drum pamoja na hizi suspension system to handle the vibration, ili kuweza kuhandle timisi kwamba kuendana na hizi vibration, mfumo mzima wa zile vibration as we have been called. This are caused by the spine motions. Hizi zinakuwa zinasababishwa na spine motion, the motion of the spine motion during the wash and also the spin cycle. Wakati tunapokuwa tunaosha au tunapokuwa tuna spine cycles, tunapokuwa zinazunguka kama kwa cycle fulani, ndio kitu ambacho wanajaribu kukielezea. So they analyze the frequency and the amplitude of this vibration to prevent the excessive shaking. Kwa wanajaribu kuanalyze hizi frequency. Kwa wanapokuwa na design wanakuwa wana consider this frequency and also the amplitude, my dear student, so as to prevent the excessive shaking noise pamoja na potential damage. Kwa ili weze kureduce hizi potential damage, the shaking of those machine, we should use the concept of the mechanical vibration. Ndio maana ukiangalia pikipiki, ukiangalia vifambo viko kwenye pikipiki sana sana vinakuwa vinazunguka, lakini havipiki kelele, havisheki, havipiki kelele sana sana, haviwezi vikasababisha madhara kwenye instrument zingine, lakini vinakuwa vina undergo a cycle as we have been told, my dear students. The second is design of the structure. Now we want to obtain some structure. Nataka structure fulani iweze kuonekana. Structure hii. We should use the concept of this. We should use the concept of the mechanical vibration so as to design the structure of an instrument, my dear students. As we have been told that similar to machine structure, similar to this machine and structure, like building and bridge are subject to vibration caused by the wind, earthquake, traffic and the other sources. Kwa tukiangalia hizi mashine pamoja na structure kama vile haya majengo, madaraja, haya madaraja na majengo yanabini subjected by the vibration. Ndio maana unaona kasa kwamba hakuna impact yoyote ambayo inakuwa inatokea kwenye hizi buildings pamoja na hizi bridge, because they are being subjected with the vibration caused by the winds. They could not be affected by this winds, earthquake, traffic and also the other sources. Understanding and mitigating this vibration is crucial for structure integrating and surface. Kwa hizi zinakuwa sana sana ni kwa usalama, zinakuwa zinasaidia sana sana kusevu maisha ya watu. So tall building, for instance, this tall building are designed to withstand the wind induced by the vibration. Kwa hii mijengo mirefu kabisa imebini designed for the aim of withdraw this wind induced by the vibrations. So engineers use this damper. Hao maengineer wanakuwa wanatumia hizi damper and the other vibration control technique so as to minimize the swaying and prevent the structure damage during this strong winds. They use this concept. Another application is design of the foundation. Ama jengo tunajaribu kuangalia some foundation ambayo tunakuwa tunazihitaji. So when design the foundation for a factory with the heavy machine, then the engineer must consider the vibration generated by the machine. Kwa tunapokuwa tuna design some foundation, for instance this a factory with the heavy machine, zenye machine nzito sana, hao engineer wanakuwa na consider hizi vibrations for the aim of generated by the machine. So they may use the vibration isolators. Kwa wanakuwa wanatumia hizi vibration isolators in order to design the foundation to adapt vibration and prevent them from effective surrounding area or causing damage of those buildings. Another is also on design of the engine and the turbine. Tunataka tuweze kutengeneza hizi engine pamoja na turbine. We should use the concept of this mechanical vibration, my dear students. So the engineers who are responsible for designing this turbine, they involve rotating parts. Kwa wanapokuwa wanatengeneza hizi turbine wanakuwa na involve some rotating parts, sehemu ambazo zinakuwa zina uwezo wa kuzunguka wa kuform vibrations that generate significant vibration. Kwa hiyo zinapokuwa nafanya hivyo zinakuwa zina generate the significant vibration. Controlling this vibration is essential for efficient operations. This preventing wear and tear and ensuring surface. Kwa hiyo hapa zinakuwa zinazuia sana sana the wear and tear, and after they are finally they ensure that they see the surface for an instrument, my lovely students. Example, we have been told this an aircraft engines. This aircraft engine, zile engine za ndege ndo wanajaribu kuzielezea hapa. The engineer carefully balance the rotating component and use the specialized bearing to minimize. Kwa hao maengineer sana sana wanakuwa wanajaribu, wanakuwa wako makini sana kuweza kubalance this rotating components, zile sehemu ambao kwamba zile component ambazo zinakuwa zina uwezo wa kuvibrate, wa kuoscillate. Kwa hiyo wanakuwa wako careful kuweza kubalance pamoja na kutumia zile specialized bearing in order to minimize the vibration and preventing the catastrophic failures. Hizi catastrophic failures, my dear students. So the last is design of musical instrument. Kwa hiyo tunakuwa tunatumia pia kwenye kudesign this musical instrument. This provide a specific example of how mechanical vibration are utilized in the musical instrument. Kwa hiyo hapa inakuwa inatupatia sana sana inajaribu kuelezea how this mechanical vibration is utilized on the musical instruments such as zile piano pamoja na guitars. Wanakuwa wanatumia sana sana zile mechanical vibration kwa ajili ya kuproduce the sound, kwa ajili ya kuproduce sound. And this always use the concept of the forced vibration. Kwa hiyo inakuwa inatumia concept ya forced vibration, my lovely students. So after there, let us try to see the example number 1 for the topic number 8 here. Our example said that a string has the mass per unit length which is equal to 0.05 kilogram per meter, and also calculate the tension in the string along which the vibration have the speed of 80 meters per second. Now we have the string, and that string we have been told that contain the mass, the linear mass density which is equal to this 0.05 kilogram, and also the string tried to vibrate at the speed of 80 centimeters per second. Now how can we determine the tension, my lovely student? First of all, let us summarize the data that we have. We have the velocity of the vibration. Also we have the linear mass density. Now how can we get this tension? As we seen that the velocity of vibration is equal to the radical of tension divided by the linear mass density. But we want to obtain the tension, we should introduce a square both sides. If we introduce square both sides, we obtain that the velocity square must be equal to tension divided by mu. Then multiplied by a linear mass density both sides, we could obtain that the tension must be equal to linear mass density times the velocity square, my lovely student. After there, we should substitute our data. Let us substitute the value of this linear mass density and also the value of the speed. But we are supposed to convert this velocity of vibration into the meter per second because it is in the centimeter per second. If we convert it and simplify, we could obtain that the tension must be equal to 3.2 exponent -4 Newton. So by saying that, this is the end of our discussion, my lovely student. Now I wish you all the best. Have a nice moment.